It's your girl Jasmine. Welcome to my channel. This is my personal channel, what I'll be doing and showing y'all reviews on things and stuff. So without further ado, if you're new, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button, join the family, and let's get to the morning, whatever, evening, I don't know. And my package came in, guys, so you know what that means. I'll get the review on this, guys. In the shower now. If y'all hear music, it's my baby. Move. I got him relaxing. Anyways, let's go to the washing and getting this done, and I'll see you guys in a few. Peace out, guys. I'm about to do the review, and yeah, let's get ready, guys. Let's get ready. Like I say, review on this Revlon blow dryer thingy-majiggy. So let's open it up and see what she about. Alright guys, I got it in, plugged up and whatnot. It's like a little spacious cord. It's pretty cool. I don't know why I smelled that. I don't know. It smells new. But yeah, I want to see how this thing works. But first, I got my heat protectant, I got my oil, and my leave-in conditioner. I'm going to grease one side of the hair. So I want to hurry and get this blow dry before it dries up. But I want to see how this works. So a little bit of tea tree oil. And I got my heat protectant, just a little bit. That's a lot. I'm gonna rub some on the other side. I'm gonna rub it in because I don't want to damage any of my hair. It looks like my hair's standing out a little bit. Don't need to. Alright, so I have it oiled and whatnot. I'm gonna put a little bit of conditioner, leave-in conditioner, guys. This is leave-in conditioner. See, intense hydration. Focus, there it goes. Leave-in. Put a little bit of this, because I don't want to damage my hair. I haven't blow dried my hair, straightened my hair, anything in a while. I do have a cheat iron that I'm going to use. Haven't did this in a while, but yep. This is the. It goes all the way up to like 4 or something. I don't know, like 450 or something like that, but yeah. So guys, let's just start. Blow drying his hair. It gets really hot, just want to let you know, but yeah, I'm gonna finish, get it straight. Alright, on to the next side, guys. Okay. On to the next side. Same treatment. Oil. I had to part it, guys, because oh my god. It's getting rough. Look at this, it's frizzing up. I hate this hair. It's just too much. How do I feel about this blow dryer, guys? I think it's pretty good. I think it still feels my hair's a little wet. My hair's very thick, so it takes a while to dry out, blow dry. But this, it's like a it's like blown out right now, guys. As you can see, it's blown. I'm looking at the camera because I'm looking at myself. I'm sorry. It's kind of blown out, guys, and it's pretty cute though. It's pretty good. It's a pretty good blow dryer. So far, my hair. This is how much hair. It's a lot. I mean, it's not that much, but I guess as time go on, it's gonna change up. But yeah. So yeah. This part right here gets really hot though, guys. Like, oh my god, I burned my finger up. But other than that, I really like this. It's quick. It gets the job done. Anything's better than this. Anything's better than this. Have them. And that's a lot. This, brushing and going. See, like it's freezing up again, guys. So it means now all the way blown out, dried out. So I'm gonna have to go back through it again. And yeah. But I like it. I enjoyed it. It's beautiful. It's awesome. I'm gonna use it on my girl's hair. Use it on my hair. And that's that. I hope you guys enjoyed this Revlon review. Revlon blowout. Also, I'm going to probably straighten my hair later on or fix something up to it. And I'll just screenshot some pictures in at the end of the video. If y'all enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. You can also check my Instagram out. I'm gonna have pictures after I'm done on my Instagram. So yeah, check them out. Love you guys. Show your girl some love on her new channel, and I'll see you for the next video. Okay, guys, I'm out. Jasmine, life with me. Bye. I think I like it. I enjoyed it, but I mean, it didn't really. This is like a couple days later, like 2 days later. But I liked it. It actually. Also, guys, look, I did my eyelashes. Look, ladies, I'm getting better. It's simple makeup. Yeah, your girl is popping now. Anyways, yeah, I think I enjoyed the blow dryer. It got my hair a little dry. Well, it blew it out good and got it dry, so I like it. Thumbs up to me. But yeah, that's it. I try to straighten it again. I hate straightening my hair. How you doing my hair? That's why I rather stay natural. But yeah, I did it again. So alright, guys, hope y'all enjoyed this video. If y'all did, go ahead and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see y'all again for another jazzy video.